If you have any experience with other programming languages, you've probably heard of the term lambda expression or lambda function. It's basically a simple one-line anonymous function that we can pass to other functions. So here on line 12, we're passing a reference to our sort underline item function. We can improve this code and make it cleaner by using a lambda expression or an anonymous function. So we don't have to define this function first and then pass it here. So we remove this and add lambda. With this, we're telling Python that we're defining a lambda or anonymous function. The syntax for writing a lambda function is like this. We add parameters, colon, expression. So using this syntax, we can rewrite this function. How many parameters do we have here? Only one. So we add that here, item. Then after the colon, we should add an expression. What are we returning in our sort underline item function? We are returning item of 1. So we simply add that here, item of 1. Now you can see with this syntax, we don't need to use def for defining a function. We don't need to give our function a name. We don't need these parentheses here, and we don't need the return statement. So this is a shorter and cleaner way to define a function that we're going to use only once as an argument to another function. Now, let's delete these two lines, run our program again. We'll get the exact same result. Our items are sorted by their price.